I am going to discuss method overriding in Java. In this video I will discuss how method overriding works with an example. Let us consider the program. First of all, create there is a Maven project 1, and we can create another Java class with Java main class, and name of the class is suppose method overriding. Method overriding in Java. Finish. So this is the name of the Java program. This method overriding. First of all, delete those command line. And let us create a class. Suppose poly 3. Name of the class is poly3, and we can create the method. Suppose this is the method, its name is void display, and within display just specify message system.out.println you are within superclass name poly3. So this is the message, you are within superclass name poly. And suppose another method is void, void show, and which consists of you are within suppose you are within display, function display method of superclass name poly, and within show write down here system.out.println you are within show function, you are within show method of superclass, name poly3. Now this is the end of the class. Create another class, suppose poly4, and the same method is used. Suppose void display, and within the display copy the same code here, Ctrl C and Ctrl B. You are within display of subclass of poly4. Here poly4 need to be extended from poly3. Poly4 need to be extended from poly3. So extend, use the keyword extends poly3. Extend poly3. Now display the system.out.println you are within display of subclass name poly4. Now consider another method is void show1. Name is different than the show method. Here the show1, and message is suppose copy the message system you are within show of subclass, of poly4. You are within show of subclass of name poly4. Now create the objects Suppose name of the object is class is name extended. We can create the object from the extended class poly4. Name of the obj equal to new poly4. Now the object is created from the inherited class poly4. Now when we call obj dot when we call the obj dot display, then there is a two display. One is from superclass, another is from base class. So it will display the display of subclass only. So superclass display will be overridden by subclass display. When we call obj dot show, so here is different than show1, it will not overridden by the derived class. Obj dot show1, show is different than show1, name are different, so there is no overriding here. There when we create the same method name as the superclass, same name, then the superclass method is overridden by the subclass method. It will display you are within display of subclass name, and the poly name will not display here. So run the program. Suppose when we run the program, when we run the file, let us see the concept. Now output is there. Consider the output. You are within display of subclass name poly4. When we call the display method, when you call the display method, then the display of superclass is overridden by display of subclass. That's why we are getting the message, you are within display of subclass name poly4. You are within display of subclass name poly4. Here show name is different than show1, so no overridden is done here. Show is that is show name is different than show1, so it will display the show superclass of name poly3, and another is subclass of poly4. So here display method of subclass is overridden the display method of superclass. So this is known as method overriding. In case of method overriding, the signature of the method of the base class, that is the superclass, and signature of the method in the subclass should be the same. So this is the concept of method overriding in Java. Thank you very much for watching this video. Share and subscribe it. Thank you.